In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email list into Substack. This straightforward process will help you efficiently transition your subscribers onto the Substack platform, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Substack homepage. This is where you start every time you want to make changes or manage your account. Once you're on the homepage, the next step involves heading over to your dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, offering you easy access to all the features and settings that Substack provides to help you manage your publication effectively. Upon entering the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options, each serving a unique purpose for your account management. Look for and click on subscribers. This section is the heart of your audience engagement, where you can view and manage all the people who receive your newsletter. It's crucial that your subscribers' information is accurate and up to date, as this ensures that your communication reaches them seamlessly. Next, proceed by clicking on Add Subscribers. This option allows you to bring in new members or update existing ones in your email list. One of the benefits of Substack is its flexibility in how you can add subscribers. You're presented with options like adding subscribers by email manually or uploading them in bulk. Both methods are efficient, however. Uploading in bulk is particularly beneficial if you're transitioning a significant number of subscribers. To upload, you simply select Choose File. Here, you'll need to have your email list saved in a compatible format. Typically, a CSV file format is recommended for a smooth upload process. Selecting the file prompts Substack to prepare to import the list. But before you proceed, there's a crucial step to ensure compliance with email regulations. Check the box indicating that the people you're importing have opted in to receive emails. This is not just a best practice. It's often required by law under regulations like GDPR and CAN spam. Always ensure your subscribers have given consent to receive your newsletters, maintaining ethical correspondence and fostering trust. Finally, you will click on Import to complete the process. This final step initiates the uploading of your email list into Substack, allowing you to reach your audience through this powerful platform. It might take a few moments depending on the size of your list, but once done, your subscribers will be all set to receive your newsletters with ease. And that's it. Importing your email list onto Substack is that simple. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless transition, making sure your subscribers continue to engage with your content without any interruptions. Thank you for watching, and happy newsletter publishing on Substack.